Before coming for an exam, what do? You read or you prepare and come, isn't it? What is the difference if you prepare and come or if you won't prepare and come? How do you think, what difference does it make in an examination? What will be your result if you prepare and write exam? If you won't prepare and write exam, what difference do you find in these? Your result will be, there is a variation in your result. Which is better, do you feel? Prepared one will be better than not prepared. Okay, so this is also something like you all are in the last verge of your secondary education, that is 10th standard you are going to complete within 6 months to 1 year, 1.5 year. So many students I have heard going to college, later they say that, oh, I would have not taken this, I would have taken that stream, I would have gone to this stream. No, this was not my subject, but still I was not having any idea and I have opted it. Many students they complain. Why? Means they too did not have proper preparation for their college. Preparation for college means what course I have to take, what is my ambition, what I wanted to become, and what course I have to take. If I take that course, what are the subjects I am going to study in that, what are the contents I have in that subject. A clear-cut idea that children should have before they are opting any courses in their +1 and +2. But they lack, many students that lack in that. Many students, they have come back and they have told me also, ma'am, I wanted to do this, but unfortunately I did not have any idea. I took this course. So for that, that problem you people should not face. So for that, today, Shrikant Jogar sir, he is also our parent and he is a lecturer in Agri College in the CS stream. So today he is here with us all to give brief information about you on computer application, CS. How many of you want to become an engineer? Engineering. One. Only one in the class. Two. Only 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll tell you. We have sent almost 5 batches. 5 batches we have sent. In that 5 batch, around 200 students. We have sent around 200 students. Lesser than that also you can consider 150 students. Out of 150 students, more than 70 students have gone for engineering stream. Though it was not planned, but it changed when they go to +1 and +2. You know, in the last, I think 2 years back, that batch, when I consider, only 1 or 3 students, I think they have gone for medical. Remaining, most of the students, they have gone for engineering stream. Today you might not raise your hand, but after completion of +1 and +2, maybe many of you may go for engineering. Still, you should have an information. Whether you are going or not, your sisters will be there, your brothers will be there. For you as an additional information, you all should have, you all should possess. What will be there if I go to engineering stream? What contents will be there? What I have to learn? What language? How about computer programming? Computer skills? What you should have to give that brief information. Let us give him a big round of applause.
So my name is Shrikant Jogar. I'm assistant professor in the Computer Science and Engineering department in Sri Kamala and Sri Vikapaya Medical College of Engineering Technology, Kashmir. Okay, so today I am talking, giving a technical talk on what are the skill courses from the open build project of IIT Bombay and the NPTEL of IIT Madras. Okay. Also, I am highlighting the languages, computer languages, which you have going to learn. Okay. And what is the operating system? Okay. What are the different types of operating systems are there? Okay. So in a computer, okay, you know about the monitor, okay, keyboard, CPU, central processing unit, right? So where the computation will happen, okay? So the operating system is very important, okay, which is an interface between the user and the system. Okay, it sits between the user and the system. Okay, it acts as an agent. Okay, so we have Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11 operating systems are there. Okay, so we have another type of operating system is there, that is Linux based. Okay, so Linux based, or get called as a Fedora. See what happened, there is an open source community. They kept the operating system source code, okay, in the internet free. Okay, the source code is free for everyone across the world. Okay, anyone can download and they can develop their own operating system. Okay, so at that time, the Infosys, they developed their own. So how many of you know the Infosys company, IT company? So it developed its own operating system. Wipro company, it developed its own operating system. Okay. See what is the difference between the Windows and this Linux? Okay. So Linux it gives a more security. It gives more security. Okay. But in the Windows, okay, there is a virus attack can happen. Okay, when I connect my laptop or desktop with the Windows operating system to the internet, okay, the virus can attack to my laptop or a desktop. Okay, the possibility is there. But when I use the Linux operating system or Fedora operating system, okay, so it will not, the virus will not be attacked. So the first thing is security will be more in the Linux operating system compared to the Windows operating system. Okay, so these are the two types of operating systems are there. Okay, and what we are using the smartphones, right? Okay, so everybody is using the smartphones. So when you go back to your home, okay, for just refreshing, you use your smartphone for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, so it has Android operating system. Okay, so what we have is the smartphone. Here also operating system is running. Okay, in the laptop also operating system is running. In the desktop also operating system is running. Okay, so in this one, it's called Android operating system. Okay, so there is a Apple phones are there. See, the smartphones, there are different types of smartphones are there. Android based. The second one is you heard about Apple. So that is the costliest one. Okay, so iOS, Internet Operating System. In that mobile, Apple mobile, the OS is running. It is called Internet Operating System. In the Android-based smartphones, okay, Android operating system is running. Okay, so like that for different smartphones, we have the different operating systems are there. Then next comes what are the computer languages are there. Okay, we talk about the languages. So this operating system is written in which language? Okay, so I am communicating with you all through the language called English, right? Okay, so like that. So we are going to write the code. Okay, it's called source code program. Okay, okay, we are going to write the program. Okay, so there is a language is needed. We have a C language. This Linux operating system is written in the C language. Okay, we have the next comes the C++. Okay, next comes the Java. Okay, then next comes the Python. Okay, so this Python is most now very popular language. Okay, it is used widely. Okay, and I talk about the Linux operating system. So where is the application of these Linux operating system? You will find in the servers where the more data is stored, in the small scale startups, middle scale companies, okay, and IT companies like Infosys, okay, they use the servers to maintain the servers. They use this Linux-based OS because it provides more security. There is no threat of virus to the systems or servers. Okay, so we are using the Facebook, right? We are using the Facebook, Instagram. Okay, so you know about this Facebook, Instagram, social networking sites, right? Isn't it? So you're using the app. These apps are available. Okay, Instagram app, Facebook app. Okay, isn't it? See,
You know it or not?
yes. Okay. See, in the IT companies, okay, see, there is a huge data is there in the internet. Okay, so I'll give you one example. Like every parents, okay, your parents, okay, father or mother is using the smartphone. They're having the Gmail app. Okay, they may use the Facebook. They will use the Instagram. See, there is a lot of data is there in the internet, okay, which is to be stored. Okay, so the IT companies, they maintain the size of the data. It's called data center. Okay, it's called data center. Okay, it occupies the size of your playground. Okay, the size of your playground, the data center will be there, that much, and where the servers are hosted. Okay, where the data is stored. Okay, the servers are maintained by the IT companies. Okay, so the Linux operating system is used in the IT companies. Okay, so it's an open source. Okay, anybody can download from the internet. They can do the changes. They can give the name to it, and it can be used by anybody. Okay. The next one is I told about the viruses. Okay, so we have the attack. See, virus will attack Windows operating system, but not the Linux operating system. Okay, so we will have like that threats will be there. Threats for the systems, threats for the laptops, threat for even the smartphone. Okay, so virus can be attacked. Okay, so there are different types of viruses will be there. Okay, the next one is I'm talking about the web designing. Okay, so websites. Okay, we will go to facebook.com, go to instagram.com. Okay, you can go to your school website. Okay, see here how in your computer science subject. Okay, it is there. Okay, HTML. How many of you know the HTML? HTML, hypertext markup language. C language. C. Okay. See, I will just give you a overview. Okay, just an overview about the HTML, which is used for designing the web pages. Okay. See, this is a web page. See, this is a URL. It's called URL. Okay. This is Chrome. Okay. We have the browsers, web browsers, to access the information which is stored in the servers. We need the browsers. Okay. So there are different types of browsers are there. Okay. Popularly, we are using the Google Chrome. Okay, web browser. Okay, which is Google Web Chrome. Okay, and we have the Firefox from Mozilla. Okay, we have Opera. Okay, like that different are there. So, which is the most popular web browser is the Google Chrome. Okay, we are using. Okay, so this is a web page. So you can see here, this is called the URL. This is called the URL. that is spoken-tutorial.org. Okay, so you have the one website called spoken-tutorial.org. Okay, which is developed by in the IIT Bombay. Okay, in the 2010. Okay, so we are using this for our students to learn C, C++, Java, Python. Okay, so by learning these things, okay, they got there is an online test will be scheduled. Okay, they take the online test, then they clear the test. Okay, so they need to get 40 out of 100. Okay, and the score will be printed on the certificate. Okay. So by completing the Java, C, C++, and Python, okay, our students got placed in the companies, okay, reputed companies. Okay, so this website provides such a skill courses, okay, skill-based courses. See, for the students, school students, you can learn about the browsers like Firefox. Okay, here it is there. I will show you the. You can see here Firefox. This is a web browser, okay, which is developed by the Mozilla. Okay, Mozilla company. Mozilla is called Mozilla Firefox. Okay, so we have here. I can see here there is a project 10 is there. Means the 10 videos are available. Okay, so you can go through these videos. Okay, you can go through these videos. Okay, to understand what is the Firefox. Okay, so it is like a very simple. Okay, they made it very simple video lectures of this. Okay, so whatever they tell in the video, you can also do it parallelly. Okay, in another side. Okay, so that it is very easy for you to understand. Okay, see, I will first go to this. You can see here spoken-tutorial.org. So which this project has got many awards. You can see here Re-Engineering India Award 2020, Reimagination Education Award 2015. Okay, then Google Books Research Award in 2015. Okay, it is an award-winning project which is running in the IIT Bombay. Okay, so we are associated with this since 2013. Okay, so we conducted the online test. Okay, at that time the speed of the internet is just 2 Mbps. Okay, now with the Geo we can get up to 400 Mbps. Okay, the smartphone. If you have a Geo SIM, okay, you can access, you get up to 400 Mbps. So we have conducted the online test for this using this website. Okay, our internet speed is just 2 Mbps. Okay, so see here, you can see here all the courses. When you click on this, the menu will display what are the courses are there. Okay, you can see here advanced C, CPP. Okay, you can see here CPP, okay, which is required for you. This is the CSS. So CSS stands for Cascaded Style Sheet. Cascaded Style Sheet means for designing a web page, okay, how it looks to give the presentation. Okay, this is used. Cascaded Style Sheets. Okay. Next is this is the Firefox. 10 videos are there, which is a browser. Okay. The next one is the HTML. Okay. This is the hypertext markup language, which is to design the web page. Okay. So we have 14 videos of them on that. The next is the introduction to computers. Okay. You can see here introduction to computers. Okay. And these videos can be viewed in different languages. In the native language also you can listen. Okay, they are prepared in English. In the language using the video is English, but you can listen in the Kannada also. Okay, so introduction to computers. I mean, go to the English. Okay, so go to Kannada, then click on search button. Okay, the search button is there here. So this one will open. You can see here the 5 getting to know computers. Getting to know computers. Okay. See outline, printer connection, then introduction to Gmail. Okay, so we are going to send an email. Okay, so we are using a WhatsApp. Okay, for faster communication. Okay, but in the officially, okay, to send in documents. Okay, in the schools, governments, IT companies. Okay, to emails. Okay. So this is introduction to Gmail. The compose options for email. So how to compose, how to create an email. Okay. So again we are having the Google Gmail is the Google Mail is the Gmail. Okay. Yahoo is there, right? So we have different mails are there. So we get the mail ID with the organization name. Like we have our college is Agadi Engineering College. Okay, so we have agadiengcollege.com. So my email ID is shrikant.csc@agadiengcollege.com. Okay, specific to the organization. Also, we can have the email IDs. Okay. Next is Google Drive option.
Anybody know school mail ID? Anybody? Not observed. In all your application form, anything we give, it is a oxford555@gmail.com.
Okay, I will click on the first video. Okay, I will click on the first video. See, getting to know computers. I will click on this one. See, this is the video. So this video is very short videos. Okay, they made very short videos. Okay, you can see the outline here at the bottom. See outline. See computer. ವಿವಿಧ ಘಟಕಗಳು. So in Kannada I selected. So computer ವಿವಿಧ ಘಟಕಗಳನ್ನು ಜೋಡಿಸುವುದು. So different parts. Okay. Of the computer.
ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ನೋ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಂಬ ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಟ್ಯುಟೋರಿಯಲ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈ ಟ್ಯುಟೋರಿಯಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ನ ವಿವಿಧ ಘಟಕಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನಾವು ವಿವಿಧ ಘಟಕಗಳನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಲು ಸಹ ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 2 ವಿಧಗಳಿವೆ: ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್. ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಸ್ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯಲ್ಪಡುವ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಪಿಸಿಗಳು ಸಹ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನಪ್ರಿಯವಾಗಿವೆ. ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳು. ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅದರ ಗಾತ್ರವನ್ನು ಲೆಕ್ಕಿಸದೆ 5 ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಡೇಟಾ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತದೆ. ಡೇಟಾವನ್ನು ಬಳಕೆದಾರನಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತೆ ಪರಿಷ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಸಂಗ್ರಹಿಸುತ್ತದೆ.
See, I am playing this video with the language Kannada. You can also play English also there. Okay. So those who are comfortable, you can go for the selection of the language selection is there. In that case, you select the Kannada and you can listen the Kannada. Okay. So we'll go to English. Select the English.
Welcome to the spoken tutorial on getting to know computers. In this tutorial, we will learn about the various components of a computer. We will also learn to connect the various components. Generally, there are two types of computers: desktop or personal computer and laptop. Nowadays, tablet PCs or tabs for short are also quite popular. Functions of a computer. A computer performs 5 major functions irrespective of its size. It accesses data or instructions by way of input. It processes data as required by the user. It stores data. It gives results in the form of output. It controls all operations inside the computer. Basic organization of a computer is as shown in this block diagram. Input unit, central processing unit, output unit. The input unit helps to enter the data and programs into a computer system in an organized manner. Keyboard, mouse, camera, and scanner are some of the input devices. The central processing unit performs operations like arithmetic and logical operations and stores data and instructions. Typically, the central processing unit or CPU looks like this. It has many ports in the front and at the back of the unit. We will learn about them in a little while. It takes data and instructions, processes them, and gives the output or results. The task of performing operations is called processing. The output is then stored along with the data and instructions in the storage unit. The unit that supports the process of producing results from the data is the output unit. Monitor and printer are some of the output devices. Generally, a desktop computer has 4 main components: monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. A camera, printer, or scanner can also be connected to a computer. This is the monitor or the computer screen, as we call it. It looks like a TV screen. It is the visual display unit of a computer. It displays the computer's user interface. One can open various programs and interact with the computer using the keyboard and mouse. The keyboard is designed to enter text, characters, and other commands into a computer. This is the computer mouse. Typically, it has 2 clickable buttons and a scroll button in between. Pressing the left mouse button activates most actions. Pressing the right mouse button activates more non-standard actions like shortcuts. The mouse wheel is used to scroll up and down by rolling the scroll button. The computer mouse is an alternative way to interact with the computer besides the keyboard. Now let us see the various parts of the CPU. There is a prominent button on the front of the CPU, which is the power on switch. To turn on the computer, one needs to press this switch. There is a reset button too, which helps us to restart the computer if required. Also on the front side, you will notice 2 or more USB ports and a DVD CD-ROM reader-writer. The USB ports are used to connect pen drives to the computer, and the DVD CD-ROM reader-writer is used to read or write a CD or DVD. Now let's look at the back of the computer. The ports at the back are used for connecting the CPU.
I think you are comfortable with CPU, monitor, keyboard, okay, printer, okay, output devices, scanner, right? So the next, see, this is like a small videos they made. Okay, the first video is on getting to know computers. Okay, second one is printer connection. So how you are going to connect the printer to your laptop or desktop. Okay, so that is covered in the second video. In the third video, introduction to Gmail. See that what I told is we are sending an emails, okay, to the government officers, okay, to the IT companies. The communication that takes place through the emails. In the school also, the college also, we are sending. Okay, so about that, how to what is the structure of the email, where to write to whom I should write the email, that email address, okay, then subject, then what is the country, okay, so this will be there. So about that will be covered in this video, introduction to Gmail, the compose options for email. Next, fifth one is the Google Drive. See, Google Drive is a storage, you can store the files. Okay, so we have got some GBs. Okay, there's a limit is there. So when we cross that limit, we cannot store more files. Okay, that is the Google Drive. Okay, and we can access it anyway. We can access it anyway in the tablet, in the smartphone. Also, we can access it. See, these are the 5 videos which is comes under the introduction to the computers. Okay. The next course I am taking up which is more relevant to you. That is the HTML. Okay. Design the web page. Okay. HTML 14. Okay. See here, the first video will cover about the overview of HTML. So in each of the video, you will have the objectives. So once you, what is the objective of this video? So once you finish that video, what you are going to learn it. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, so overview of HTML. See, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Okay. Next we have my first HTML program. A basic HTML program is explained in the second video. Next in the third one, elements, tags, and attributes in HTML. Okay. What are elements? What are tags? What are attributes? Okay. Next is formatting the tags in HTML. Formatting the tags in the HTML. Next, styles and CSS in HTML. Next, lists. Okay, that is I wanted to display a menu. Okay, so how you are going to make a numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That is list. Then tables. You can also draw a table in the web page. Okay, using the tables. Next, phrase tags in HTML. Okay, top type and head section. See, till we have forms. Okay, preparing the forms in the web page. Okay, so total 14 videos are there. Okay, so you have to go through one by one. Okay, to understand better. Okay, in sequential manner.
There will be an online examination. To do the online examination, these are the videos you will go through. You will get information about this question and you can answer. You can answer. An online examination will be there about computers.
See, introduction to computers, 5 videos are there. So you have to go through all the 5 videos. Then we have the online test. Okay. So the questions will be based on the what is covered in the videos. Okay. So out of 100, you need to take 40 and above. If you get 39, so you are free. You have to get 40 and above, okay, for getting the certificate, and your score will be printed on the certificate, okay, along with the spoken tutorial logo. So this logo will be there. This is the logo of the spoken tutorial IIT Bombay. Okay, so that is see for doing the engineering, okay, which is the top institutes in India means it is IIT. Okay, so we have almost nearly 30 IITs are there. Okay, so recent one is the IIT Dharwad. We have the IIT Dharwad is there. Okay, so this project belongs to IIT Bombay. Okay, so we have the different courses are there. So what is now the recent trending is there. So they are adding, like Python is the most popular language. So we have the Python course here. We have the Java course here. Okay, so how the time passes, which is the new thing, new technology, new concept comes. So they make a course here. Okay, they will put it okay for the students community. Okay.
Why we are introducing this is, I mean, we know that many of you use mobile. When you take the mobile and when you use, you don't know what to see. So what you will do, or what activities you do, you will not have any idea. Simply you keep watching the videos one by one. It is of no use. For you to get useful information, there is one program. There will be online exam. To write that online test, to take that online test, you should know what is the content now. For that also videos are there. If you go through the videos and attempt for an exam, you will get certification. Today what we are telling, HTML, Google, all these, you may wondering why do we need all these. But once you go to CS, computer science, if anybody wants to go, then you will come to know, oh yes, this word I had heard in high school only. That time you will come to know. So it should not be too late for you to understand. Now only you should start working on it. Basic, start from basic idea, you can move. Vacation is there. Now during your vacation, every day at least one course you can finish it.
So this is CSS, stands for Cascade Style Sheet. Okay, it is for, see, when I design a web page, it should look attractive. Okay, so which color I have to use? Okay, which color I have to use? Okay, whether I have to use a full bright color or a soft looking. Okay, so attractive. You have to select the color such a way that it should look attractive to the users. Okay, means it gives pleasant, pleasing to the eyes. Okay, so that's what the CSS does. Okay, cascaded slide sheets. How we are going to present your web page to the user. Okay, so you should use the such a color that it should look attractive to the users. Okay, so with respect to that, we have the overview of CSS. The first CSS5, dimensions and measuring the use in CSS, box model, background, text properties, font properties, display properties. Okay, till we have the web layouts in CSS. Okay, the same thing what we are shown for the previous HTML, same videos will be there. Okay, you have to go through the videos. See, these videos are also available in the YouTube. Okay, these videos are also available in the YouTube. Okay, you can go through them. Okay, so if it is sometimes what happens, these are running in the web page. Okay, this is the web page. So if you click on this, so it should run in the web page. So instead of that, you can directly there is a link is there. Okay, if you use that link, so it will be open in the YouTube. Okay. Firefox, that is the Mozilla Firefox web browser. Okay, we are using the browsers to access the information. Okay, from the internet. Okay, so this is the URL, right? I am writing, I am typing spoken-tutorial.org/tutorial these things. Okay, so it will, okay, from here I will type and I will press enter. This will go to the server which is there at Mumbai, okay, IIT Bombay, okay, and it will fetch us the information and it will be displayed here. Okay, so there is a server will be maintained where the information what is displayed will be stored. Okay, so from here, from Rashmeshwar, I am typing I am using the Google Chrome, I am here in the URL, I am typing the address, then I am accessing the content which is stored in the IIT Bombay Google. Okay, so across the world, the information is there anywhere. We can nowadays access with the smartphone. Okay, we can do nowadays we are having the banking. See, your parents will not nowadays not going to the banks, right? They will do the transactions, transferring the money, okay, school fees, everything they are doing in the mobile app, isn't it? Okay, so anything nowadays we can do it anything with using the smartphone. Okay, we can access the cameras which are fixed in our home. Okay, there is an app is there. Through app, I will log in and I can see what is going on in the home. Okay, so that is also possible. Okay, through the technology. Okay, so we have the nowadays that how the technologies are emerged. We have the AI, there is artificial intelligence. Okay, see, when I call to someone, okay, I call to my friend, okay, immediately when I cut my call or my communication is over, okay, I got in the Facebook a friend request from the same person to whom I called, because this is connected. See, he is not, I have a Facebook account, but he is my friend, he is not there in the, he is also there in the Facebook, but the Facebook is sent in notification to me, okay, you have a friend request, okay, from the same person. See, this is how the data is processed, okay, how it is done. Okay, so that is machine learning is there, deep learning, artificial neural networks. Okay, then we have the AR and VR, augmented reality and virtual reality. Okay, it is widely used in education. Okay, machine learning. Okay, then cyber security. See, cyber security means in the smartphones. Okay, so someone will call. Okay, get a call. Okay, is asking for the OTP. See, I will tell you my experience. 4 years back, I got a call, okay, from Kolkata. He is asking for OTP and he is telling that, okay, it is required for the bank side. He told that I am calling from the bank, but he is not calling from bank. He is a thief. Okay, he is want to access my amount which is there in my bank account. Okay, he is doing a transaction, online transaction of 55,000. Okay, he is purchasing something. I got an OTP, but I come to know that I didn't initiate any transaction. Okay, I am not buying any items online, but the message shows the information. I will come to know that there is something is wrong. He is again telling that you have to give me the OTP very urgently. It is very required urgently. Okay, so I didn't give the OTP. So if I gave the OTP means from my account, okay, 55,000 will be deducted. Okay, so such incidents you all know in the newspaper also. Okay, it's already coming. Okay, so that is it's called cyber fraud. Okay, so we have the cyber police stations are there, right? So related to the online frauds. Okay. So the recent one, see 1 year back, okay, there is a advertisement in the Facebook, okay, with the same company name, so there is no change in the name, everything looks same. but it is fake. Okay. So our friend made he booked the traveling. Okay, it is a traveling agency. Okay, so everything is same. The name, everything is same. It looks perfect. It is authentic, but it is fake. Okay, so he lost some amount in that one. Okay, see the frauds are happening for the educated people also. The educated people also. Okay, so he is working in an engineering college. Okay, so nowadays means how, see, the technology is advancing. Okay, so if I am more the technology, okay, so the fraud, the people who does the fraud transactions, okay, fraud with the citizens, okay, people, okay, so they should aware of it. Okay, so even though we are using the advanced technologies, okay, still, okay, we should aware of the correctly, thoroughly. Okay, we have to understand it clearly. Okay, see that. That's called a cyber security, cyber police stations. Okay, so nowadays it is become, okay, cyber security is a area where it is emerging as a one of the trending. Okay, so we are having IoT. Next comes the Internet of Things, that is in the electric car, in the vehicles, we can by using the sensors. Okay, we use a lot of sensors nowadays available. Okay, we can control it. We have the concept of smart cities. Okay, cities, the whole city is connected. Internet of Things. Okay, that is Internet of Things, AIML, artificial machine learning, then cyber security. Okay, see, these are the 4 trending now sectors in the IT industry. Okay. See, you can see in the Firefox interface and toolbars, searching and autocomplete. Okay, setting general privacy options, themes, pop-up blocking, bookmarks, extensions, and others. See, just first go through the introduction to computers first. Go to all the 5 videos. Okay, then give the feedback to the principal madam. So about the videos, how it is helpful to you. Okay, definitely these are the videos which are created by keeping the student centric only. Okay, so student centric videos they are developed. Okay.
During your holidays, we are going to give you this project only. Not to that level, not too deep. Introduction to computers, you all know, no? You all have studied. Why we have, when sir asked yesterday that we are going to give this session, immediately I said yes. Because 2-3 days back, I think your teacher had sent one letter regarding Vijnana Vichara Bhoti. Yes or no? What was the topic given there? Have you at least opened and checked what was the topic given? Huh? What was the topic given? What was the topic given? Before 21st century, whom we would